Try and remove this. I got a 3/4 inch wrench right here. That was a W. There we go. That took a little bit of muscle. Alright. And that pulls out. Now, let's check the resistance and then we'll get the new one in. To test resistance, you can put it on Omega, and I like to put it on that 20.5K. I like to do this anytime I'm using aftermarket parts, because if the resistance is the same, the part number should work as well. This is a Denso part. It says Denso 179700. I'll look up this part number too. I'm going to use this as well. If I don't have any issues with it, I'll still recommend this sensor. It's just, you know, when you're playing with aftermarket, you got to make sure you're being doubly sure. So let's get it in there. Okay, we're looking at about 1.65-ish. That's kind of where it's stopping. Let's get the new one. 1.65. Good. So they have the same resistance. That's good to see. All right. Hold on, I just want to tighten this down, make sure it's nice and snug. Give me 1 second. There we go. And it snapped down. Good. Let's clear the codes out, start it up, and check for leaks. Alright, with the codes cleared out, let's start it up and then we'll check for leaks. And we're looking good here, no leaks, that's what we want to see. I'm going to let it run for a few minutes, let it build up water pressure, and then unless this code comes back, we're all good here. As far as tightening that down, remember, you just need a good ooga booga, just one good ooga booga, you know, and you're good. So thanks for watching, till next time, out.